It's a pleasure to be here with Ador.
It's a really good event over here.
Plasma cutter from Hypertherm is one of the best.
Hypertherm was very good. We are with the Hypertherm for last 20 years.
Great insights about the plasma cutting machine.
Last 15 years, we have been working with Hypertherm. It was a great experience.
Hypertherm models, sync models, robotics models would be superb, and this event is very good.
Thank you so much, and I thank you all my distributors and customers coming here in Pune and attending this program. Thank you so much.